welcome to the channel. In this very short video, I want to correct some misconception that perhaps new visitors have on this channel. I have different types of projects that I do on this channel, and I want to bring this to your attention so that if you know, or if you don't know now, you know. Most of the time I do formulation projects. Okay, formulation project are project meant for my students. They are just demonstration for my student, and because I'm meant to actually motivate the public to learn cosmetic formulation, so we use those demonstrations to motivate people want to learn more about cosmetic formulation. So for demonstration projects, I do not give the formula out to the public. The formula is reserved for my student alone. Over the past few days, I've been getting a lot of abuse from perhaps new visitors, thinking that anytime I do a formulation project, I have to give them the formula I use for it. Remember, I always tell you there's difference between a formula and a recipe. For DIY, there's a direct, straight recipe, but for a formula is more complicated, and it's meant for retail grade products like this. Okay. This is made using a formula, okay, and this is meant for my students, those that I mentor, okay, for beauty brands and those that really want to learn the act of cosmetic formulation. But for those that are just coming into the industry, you want to get used to what formulation is all about. That this is what DIY projects are for. So do it yourself projects are a lot simpler, not complicated, and they just have direct, straight recipes. So when you see me doing any formulation projects, going forward, you're going to see me do formulation project. You can watch the process. There's nothing bad in it. At least give you an idea of how a particular product is done. So the process. Remember, the last project I did is a pH neutral all-purpose cleaning spray, no rinse. If you watch that process, at least you have an idea of how the cleaning spray is being manufactured. So when you see my project, you can watch it. But if you're not any of my mentees, right, you won't have access to the formula because it's just not fair. These people are paying me, and this is exactly what my career is. So you don't expect me to just come to the public and give away my career for free. So how do I survive also, right? So my career, even before you ever know me, I've been mentoring beauty brands and those that want to learn more about cosmetic formulation, those that want to make stable beauty products. So you can go to stablecosmeticformulas.com. You find tons of formulas with step-by-step instructions, some with video, some not with video. But over the next couple of months, we're going to start doing demonstration video for all our past projects. So it's an exciting thing that you want to stay tuned with so that you have an idea how a product is being made. Even though you don't have access to the formula yet, at least you have an idea, right? But if you really want to follow along, head over to Stable Cosmetic Formula. Just give it a try, sign up, and so that you have access to the stable formula. You don't have to crack your brain again about, what type of formula should I use? Especially for those that have been to Formula Botanica, a lot of you are just wasting your time. I've made a couple of videos then explaining to you why Formula Botanica is a waste of time. Stop wasting your time. Stop doing trial and error. Join me at stablecosmeticformulas.com so that you learn directly from a cosmetic chemist that have been in the industry for a while, that knows exactly what to do so that you follow the right path. Stop doing try and error formulas. This is a call to Formula Botanical students. Please stop wasting your time. A lot of you are getting bombarded with the Formula Botanica has a strong marketing team, and they are using that to catch you guys and giving you guys unstable formula that will make a garbage product. Okay, I've seen Formula Botanical graduate that are making ineffective beauty product and they want to have a brand, that is the fastest way to fail if you want to start a beauty brand with Formula Botanica. Please watch out, watch out. Stop doing that. If you want to learn advanced DIY, then go to Formula Botanica. But if you want to learn how to make beauty product to sell, that is the wrong route to take. Okay. If you want to learn how to make beauty product to sell, Formula Botanica is the wrong route to take. So that's, I mean, I don't want to worry too much about that. I told you my straightforward opinion about the school. Some people will take it, some will not take it. But people that have had experience there, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. Stop wasting your time. So now to recap this video, a formulation project is for making beauty product to sell or for making a very stable and highly effective beauty product. And that is what, when you see formulation project for so months, you will know exactly what I don't give out the formula to the public. It's reserved for my students at stablecosmeticformulas.com. If you want to have access to it, head over there and sign up. You have access to it right away. Then DIY, which I have lots of DIY recipe on this channel. They are meant for the public, those that just want to have a feel of how to make, simple beauty products with nothing complicated. That is what DIY is for. I hope this video has explained enough reason why I do not give out my formulas to the public, especially for formulation projects. Okay, that's exactly the explanation for that. So when you see formulation project and you ask me for my recipe, oftentimes I may not answer you, or even if I'm nice enough to answer you, I'll direct you to the link to that particular formulation project. So thanks so much for hearing me out. That I'm a professional in beauty formulation. I know there are lots of video here on YouTube, people giving you free formulas. That's all right. We all have our way of doing things. But as a trained cosmetic formulator, I'm not just going to come here and give you out all my own trade secret. No, it's meant for those that are ready to pay for my service. Okay, nothing good really comes free. If you really want something solid, you have to be ready to pay for it. No, I went to school to study this, and I'm not going to come here and give you all my trade secret just for free for being nice to you. Then I'm not being nice to myself. Then of what use did I go to school for? To come to YouTube to make free, to give out free formulas? No, of course not. Okay. So thanks for hearing me out. That's exactly what this video is all about. Next, I'm going to do a simple DIY for all of you. I know you have missed my DIYs. Don't worry, I won't forget you because I have you in mind also. Remember, go and see all my past videos, very helpful videos, and and I continue to do that also. But I will not also forget any of my students, those that are actually paying me to be able to live, right? I mean, that's exactly what my career is all about. Even though I have a lot of beauty brand that I mentor, I still get one or two people here also on YouTube. That's perfect because I love to help, okay? I help for my services in exchange, okay, for your own commitment. So that's exactly what I do. Thanks for joining me, and I wish you the best in your formulation journey. Remember, whatever you want to learn, be able to sacrifice for it. Don't go for DIY. If you go for a lot of DIY, that's the wrong way to learn cosmetic formulation. Don't. You see, you're just wasting your precious active ingredient. You're wasting money. Head over to stablecosmeticformulas.com right away. Sign up in confidence, and you're going to see exactly what we have. And in addition to that, I offer 247 mentorship. That is amazing right there, right? A lot. There is few of my students that are taking full advantage of that, and I love being bothered. Ask me questions. Don't put any reservation. So I'm happy to have that for you. Okay. Thank you so much for joining me. And happy formulating.